Kalakwachero, Kalakwachera, come and join us. We are here in Bonn, looking for the church with the two heads of a saint outside the church. Halika, tingnan natin. I've been few times here in Bonn pero hindi ko pa siya actually nakuha ng picture yung dalawang head. Kaya yan hahanapin natin.
So this is the church. The Monsters Church of Bonn. We're looking for the two head. May head dito eh. Ayan, may fountain pa. So this is the church here in Bonn. So we're here. This is the in front of the church. Yeah. We go inside. Yeah. So, tika natin. So this is the church. Here in Bonn, the Monster Church. Wow, look at that. Ate, yun, no? Tinan mo. Look at this. Ate, yung organ, ang laki. Grabe. Ang ganda. Oh, there's the pole.
You want to write something to
Yeah. And here is the church. Monster Sauce Church. Ang ganda. Look, so beautiful.
This is the main church actually here in Bonn, and some of the queens and kings are buried here, and some dog also.
May nakalibing sa ilalim ng church. So this is the altar of Monster Church here in Bonn. That is the
It's really a beautiful church inside. So labas na tayo. Hahanapin na natin yung dalawang ulo, the two head of the saint.
So this is the church. Main church. And look, here is the square, the centrum, the galleria. And we are looking actually for the head in front, they said. In front of this church. The two head. Yet I still don't see. Ah, here. Here's the head na. Look. So here's the two saint head. Saint Laurentius and Saint Cassius. So this is Saint Laurentius, as you see. And we are here, the Bahnhof, here in the surrounding, and then here is Saint Cassius. Yeah. Oo.
Ayan si Saint Laurentius at yan naman ay Saint Cassius. Sa wakas nakapagpa-picture din at nahanap ko rin ang dalawang saint na ito.
So we found the two head. It's here in front of the church. Church of Saint Bonn Münster Church. So here is the two head of two saints, Saint Cassius and Saint Laurentius. So that's here in Bonn, the two head of the saint. Yeah.
So after picture dito sa Monster Bonn Church, ayan, pupunta kami dun sa kabilang side naman, tatawid lang. Kasi meron akong nakitang another church. Katapat lang dito, dun, ayun siya.
That's the church where the two head.
Yung church
And we are the other church
look,
by the fountain.
Brown, tatawid lang kayo, opposite side of the church. At may fountain siya.
Wait.
Yung fountain niya. Look at this. The fountains. After that,
Alam mo na.
ayan, may mga kainan sa katabi. So, dito kami kumain. Ayan. Drink some tea. At kakain kami ng shawarma.
Ito natin sa'yo.
Ayan, dito sa Seafood Restaurant.
Jawohl, karamellische Butter.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.